Hey, thanks for giving me a few minutes. I appreciate you. Do two things if you would. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this over on X, give me a follow if you like what I'm doing for you here. So here's what I want to talk to you about. Basically, I want to talk about the crypto news in relationship to what we're seeing playing out. I mean, this is exactly what I said would happen and how it would play out. And I want to make sure that you're not missing the boat. I want to make sure that you're in and that you've got your bags packed, if you will, of various different cryptos. And also want to talk about the fact: have you missed out? Have you missed the proverbial train? Okay, so let's dive into this and look at what's going on. We got the market up really nice, 3.85%. Finally back out of that 2.5 trillion and up over 2.6 trillion. So that's $2,600,000,000,000 market cap. We've got Ethereum crossing back over 3,000. That's a big deal. 22% in 7 days. 22% move for Ethereum in 7 days. Bitcoin up 10%. So I've been kind of waiting to see that happen, where we've had Bitcoin running and doing its thing, where in the last 10, 12, 14 days, we had Bitcoin move out of the mid 60s range and now up 76 to 76. But Ethereum wasn't really doing anything. So we needed that to happen. We needed the capital, the money to flow into the flagship Bitcoin. That's what everybody knows out there. That's kind of what the world knows about crypto. And then secondarily to that, that's how the capital flows. That's how the asset flows. Bitcoin to Ethereum, and then to this one. Altcoin season set to start soon. Expert predicts massive crypto bull rally. I agree. I've been talking about this for a long time. Okay, so this goes back to: have you missed it? Have you missed out? No. The answer is no. I've been telling you guys to buy for over a year plus now. Even in the bearish times of 22 and 23, I've been saying, hey, you should be buying now. This is when the smart money in the room is buying, because you're buying everything at a massive discount off of its all-time high. But to that point, let's look at like Cardano, right? Cardano has been on a tear as of recent. I think rumor and speculation around Charles Hoskinson possibly becoming the advisor to Trump for crypto. Yep, you heard me right. But the all-time high, for Cardano was that $2.86 range, right? And so if you look at it like that, look at every crypto. Look at it where what was its all-time high and what are you buying it for from now? I mean, look at this chart. I mean, really, this chart looks like Cardano's, I'm gonna use the D word, dead, but it's not. Obviously, we know Cardano's not dead. But my point to you is that's off of a massive all-time high, and look how much it's really been really consolidating. I mean, look at Cardano as an example, okay? But I really want to focus you on that all-time high of $2.86. And so, yeah, it's a massive discount off of that. So therein lies the no, you haven't missed out scenario. Now, Bitcoin is at its all-time high. Does that mean you shouldn't buy Bitcoin? No, absolutely not. Bitcoin can continue to be. So Bitcoin's all-time high is 77,252. Hey, you can get it at 1% off of that right now. But taking a look at kind of different views of this, you've got this different view of the chart. Bitcoin right here. By the way, that is my trading indicator right there that gave you that buy alert, 10+% up. Look at this one for Solana. Look at this. They gave a buy alert right there. Software did, and it's up 23%. So if you're looking to make better and more money in crypto, then you need to check out my software. It links in the description below. It's over on X it's above me. It's a 30-day no questions asked. It tells you when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos. Okay, it gives you those buy alerts. So buy here, sell here, lock in that profit. Software costs $1 a day. Okay. Give yourself the added advantage. This is what the smart people in the room, they're using technology to help them know when to buy and when to sell and make even more profit in crypto. Okay. So links are down there. Give it a look. But bottom line, look, we are now starting to take off. And I said this before too. It's going to start with a whimper, not with a bang. It's going to start with just these daily moves up. And we might, like a day like this, 3.54. Yesterday, we had kind of one of those lackadaisical days. Didn't really do anything. Nothing really was going on. We were down and then we're up all day. Okay. But today we're up 3.5. It's not like you're going to wake up one day and the crypto market, this number right here, is up 25% in one day. That's not how it works. Okay. So you need to have your bags packed. You need to figure out what you want to buy, get in. I believe firmly. I had a buddy of mine talk to me yesterday, called me. He's like, I want to, put some money in. What do you think I should do? And I literally told him, and I'm quoting here, I said, you can pick anything in the top 25, really in the top 40 if you really wanted to, and you could throw a dart and pretty much put anything in there. But I also said you need to spread your risk, diversify. And why was I saying in the top 25? Because you're buying things like Uniswap, Litecoin, Polkadot, Chainlink's been crushing it recently. If you want to buy some memes, buy SHIB and Dogecoin. They're the blue chips of the meme coin space. Avalanche, ton. You're not going to go wrong with any of these cryptos on a long-term basis. Holding them, buy and hold for a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, whatever it may be. You will make great money on that. You will outpace anything you're going to make on the stock side of the house by doing that. I'm here to tell you. Now, this is obviously not investing advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Of course, that's my disclosure. But you want and that was the advice that I gave to a really good friend of mine. Okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. But look, I told you what happened. We started moving up. I told you to buy. I told you it would start with a whimper, not. I told you it would start with a whimper, not with a bang. And I don't want you to miss out. Okay. That's really where it comes down to. So look at things from like where that crypto was from its all-time high. I guarantee you. I mean, look, Cardano, all-time high, $2.86. It's trading at like 46 cents right now. That's a massive discount off of where it was and where it has shown, obviously, that it can get back to later.